Good morning, children. Open your new Sparkle Semester Series Junior KG Semester 1 book. Yesterday, what we have learnt? Capital letter T. T for table, T for tiger, T for tomato. Alphabet review, that is QRST. QRST. Then one more alphabet, that was U. U for urn, U for umpire, U for umbrella. Now we will learn one more new alphabet, page number 34, that is capital letter V. V for van, V for van, V for violin, V for violin, V for vase, V for vase. Okay. So, van, you have seen the van, no? See in the picture. This is van. This is violin. Violin जो बजाते हो, इसको भी देखा है. And this is vase. Vase यानी we can put here some fresh flowers, beautiful flowers, and you can keep on the top of the table for show. See here. Now we will trace the lines to complete the pattern. See here how to write, how to trace and write. See here. Can you see? No? Just have and concentrate over here. In this way, go up, again come down, go up and come down. In this way you have to go on writing. This also you have to on writing in this way. Have you understood? Now write the capital letter V. Just simply don't write, say and write. See here. First one you write this slanting line, and here one slanting line in this way, and this is capital V. Here also you do the same thing. V for van, V for van, V for violin, and V for vase. V for vase, V for violin, and V for van. In this way you just go on saying V for violin, V for vase, V for van, V for van, V for violin, and V for vase. वेस तुम्हें समझ में आया ना? इसको गुलदान कहते हैं, जहाँ पे तुम फ्रेश फ्लावर्स नीचे से थोड़ा डंडा काट कर बड़े बड़े फूलों से सजा सकते हो इसको, और कहीं पर भी रख सकते हो. जैसे तुम्हारे घर पे मेहमान आएंगे, बड़ा टेबल हो, उसके पर तुम इसको सजा सकते हो. नाउ कम टू द वन मोर अल्फ़ाबेट. नो, see here. After writing this after completing this page, textbook page, you write in 4-line book. Now we will come to the next alphabet, that is page number 35. Page number 35, that is W. W for watermelon. तुमने खाया है ना watermelon? देखो दिख रहा है watermelon. W for well. W for well. Well यानी बौड़ी. किसी ने देखा है बौड़ी को? इसको बौड़ी भी कहते हैं. पानी रहता है इसके अंदर. And W for whale. W for whale. It is a large animal, lives in the sea. ये बहुत बड़ा एनिमल है, पानी में रहता है. Sea and looks like a large fish. देखो मच्छी के आकार की तरह है ना, ये मच्छी के आकार की तरह है. So now trace the lines to complete the pattern. To complete the pattern, see here. Now see, say and write. W, see here. W, this is W's pattern we are writing. W's pattern it is. W का pattern दिखा रही हूँ मैं. This is the pattern for W. Just go on writing like this. See here. Touch all lines and write. This way you have to complete the pattern. After that, full you complete at home. And now W, touch all the 3 lines and do this way. W for watermelon. W for well. And W for whale. W for whale. W for watermelon. W for well. well यानी बाउडी जिसको बोलते हैं, उसमें पानी रहता है. देखो W for watermelon. Can you see, no? W for well. W for well. W for whale. W for whale. And W for watermelon. This is well. W-double-L, well. And this is whale. W-H-A-L-E, whale. And this is watermelon. This is watermelon. So watermelon, W for watermelon. W for watermelon. W for well. W for well. And W for whale. W for whale. This is well. W-H-A-L-E, well. And this is well. W-E-double-L, well. So after completing this, you write in your 4-line book. You have completed your textbook. Now come to your 4-line book. This is your 4-line book. And this book you just write here. V for van. Read and write. V for van. V for violin. And V for vase. Again you write here. V for vase. V for violin. V for vase. In this way, you just go on saying and writing. V for van, V for violin, V for vase, V for vase, V for van, V for violin, V for violin. Okay, in the same way, write in your 4-line book, that is W. That is W for watermelon, W for well, W for whale, W for well, W for well, and W for watermelon. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. W for well. W for whale. W for whale. W for watermelon. And W for well. W for well. In this way, you write in your 4-line book. You have already learned capital letters A to W. Now, A to W. Yes or no? That is A for arrow, A for axe, A for apple. B for ball, B for bell, B for bat. Yes, B for bat. Then C for cat, C for cake, C for cap. D for doll, D for door, D for duck, D for duck. And alphabet review, that is A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Here E for egg, E for engine, E for elephant. E for elephant. F for frog, F for fan, F for fish. G for gun, G for gum, G for grapes. G for grapes. H for hat, H for hut, H for hen. Alphabet review, that is E, F, G, H. E, F, G, H. I for inkpot, I for insects, I for igloo. J for jam, J for joker, J for jug. J for jug. K for key, K for king, K for kite. K for kite. L for lion, L for lion, L for lotus, L for leaf. L for leaf, L for lion, L for lotus, L for lotus. Now alphabet review, IJKL. Alphabet review, IJKL. So this also we have completed. Now M for mat, M for monkey, M for mango, M for mat, M for mango. So N for net, N for nest, N for nail polish. O for octopus, O for octopus, O for ostrich, O for orange, O for orange. You also read how I am reading and showing you. Open the picture book and read as I am reading. Okay. P for parrot, P for parrot, P for puppy, P for pot, P for pot. Alphabet review, that is MNOP. Alphabet review, MNOP. Q for queen, Q for queen, Q for quiver, Q for quiver, Q for quill, Q for quill. R for radish, R for radish, R for ring, R for rat, R for rat. S for snail, S for sun, S for seal, S for seal. T for table, T for tiger, T for tomato, T for tomato. Okay. Alphabet review, that is QRST. Alphabet review, that is QRST. Then U for urn, U for umpire, U for umbrella, U for umbrella. V for van, V for van, V for violin, and V for vase, V for vase. You have to color the vase by doing this outline. You have to give like this. First you have to complete the, with the help of the pencil you can give, or color pencil you can give the outline, complete it with the beautifully, and then give color for this. Okay. W for watermelon, W for well, And W for whale. Whale also you can give the color. First give the outline and color it. And write V 2 pages, W 2 pages. V 2 pages, W 2 pages. Okay. A to W. See here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, O, P, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. U, V, W. In this way you have to write. First you write and then you can read with the picture, saying the pictures names also. Okay. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for door, E for elephant, F for fish fan, G for goat, H for horse, house also you can say, I for ice cream, J for joker, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for ring, R for rat, S for sheep, S for sun, T for tiger, T for table, U for umbrella, U for urn, V for van, W for well, W for watermelon. Okay, yes, in this way you go on saying and write also. Say and write. V 2 pages, W 2 pages, capital A to W 2 pages, read and write. This is the homework for you. First you complete your textbook and then come to the 4-line book. Okay children, we will meet in the next video. Thank you.